In this class, I'm gonna teach you how to use Format Painter option in MS Word. Well guys, Format Painter is very useful and a time saver option. It helps you to save your efforts and time by just copying the format and paste it into other text, right? So let me just show you how you can use Format Painter option. Let's get into our MS Word software. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my MS Word tool. Now I do have the dummy content in front of my screen, and now I'm gonna apply Format Painter option in these content. First, let me just do one thing. Let me just apply few designings in this particular headline so that I can show you that how you can use Format Painter. So guys, as you can see, now I have applied many things, many designing options in this particular headline. Basically, I have applied word art, then outline, shadow, reflection, then I have applied borders, then changed the color of those borders, then added a little bit of weight in these borders. So I've applied many things. It took me around 3 to 4 minutes to do the all designing basically, right? Although it is not that much beautiful because I've just chosen the color so that which can highlight and you can see it properly, right? But the point is that I have applied or I have designed this whole headline manually, and it took me around 3 to 4 minutes to design it, right? And let's say I want to design this heading and then this heading and then the next heading as well, right? So how I will do these designings, right? Is there any way to copy this design, basically the formatting, and then apply to these headlines in one go? So the Format Painter use can help you do this, right? How you can do this? You just have to select the text, right? As you can see, I have selected the text. Now I'll be clicking on this Format Painter option. Now the Format Painter option is activated. As you can see, the button is highlighted now. Now once I bring my cursor over here, you'll be able to see the cursor is looking like a brush, right? Now if I select this text and just leave the button, and the design will be applied here, right? That's how this works. But this happens only one time. Again, if I want to apply this same formatting to any another headline, I just have to select the text, then click on this Format Painter option, and then select this text as well, and the formatting is applied now, right? So that's how this Format Painter works. But there's again one issue, and the issue is I just have to again copy and paste the thing, right? Basically it is working only once, right? So I have to select this, then click on Format Painter, then select the headline like this, right? And if I leave the button, the formatting will be applied, but the Format Painter option is turned off now. So how you can do this multiple times? For that, you have to again select the text, and now this time let's say you want to apply this formatting multiple times, right? So for that, you just have to click twice on this button, like rapidly twice, and now your Format Painter button will be activated for multiple times. As you can see, now I don't have to again select copy and basically turn on that Format Painter option, right? As you can see here, right? So that's how this option works. Let me press Ctrl Z so that it doesn't look that much bad. Now there's one shortcut key as well to do this. What is the shortcut key? You just have to select the text, press Ctrl Shift C, not Ctrl C. You have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, right? Once you press it, your formatting has been copied. Now you just have to select the text wherever you want to apply the formatting. Let's say I want to apply this formatting here, right? Let's say this is an headline. I'm just applying this formatting by pressing Ctrl Shift V, right? You don't have to press Ctrl V. You have to press Ctrl Shift V. V as in van, right? V as in Van Hussein, like Ctrl Shift V again, right? So that's how this works. Now you can do same thing with your bullet text or any other kind of formatting which you have applied into your text, right? Formatting is basically the cosmetical changes which you have done your into your text to make it more appealing and attractive. Like let's say you have changed, this is a bullet point, right? And you want to change few things here. Let's say you have changed the size and change the font. You have chosen this, right? Now you want to apply this same formatting to other points as well. So for that you have to press Control Shift C. Now your formatting is copied. Now just paste this formatting in anywhere you want. Let's say I'm just selecting this and pressing Control Shift V, and it's done. Right now again Control Shift V, it's done. Again I've selected this text, Control Shift V, it's done. So I hope you understood the format painter option. I hope you understood the shortcut keys and how you can rapidly use format painter option in one go. So if it's clear, if you learned from this, please hit that subscribe and like button. If you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Also, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.